Welcome to Proper Perversions, the show where we care so much about your bright future that we take this time to teach you various terms so you can get cigarettes or get into that Never Shout Never concert. Today's Proper Perversion is flooding the f***ing cave. The act of flooding the cave is when you put your penis inside of your desired orifice, whether it be the vagina or the asshole, and you proceed to urinate. That is how you flood the cave. F***ing great. This has been Proper Perversions with your host, Nathan. I'll see you next time. Perversion will do just that. This week's Proper Perversion is the Flaming Amazon. The Flaming Amazon